Now, President Trump's interview with CBS anchor, which aired on Tuesday, has become the latest flashpoint in Trump's ongoing friction with the CBS News network over its editorial practices. An audio recording has now surfaced in which Press Secretary explicitly threatened legal action against CBS News. In this leaked audio recording, Karoline Leavitt is heard saying that Trump would sue the outlet if the network broadcast an edited version of a recent interview that was conducted with actor Tony Dokoupil. The White House press secretary reportedly approached the anchor immediately after the interview concluded to deliver a direct warning from the president.
Make sure you guys don't cut the tape. Make sure the interview is out in full.
Yeah, we're doing it. Yeah.
You said it's not out in full. We'll see. Oh, great. Okay.
In another point of contention, a 60 minutes segment on El Salvador's notorious prison that was pulled by CBS last month finally aired on 18th of January. Now, this came weeks after the network had pulled the segment just hours before its broadcast. It was in December last year that the segment was shelved after CBS said that the report on the alleged abuses at the Seacourt Center required additional reporting. While the leadership of CBS News faced accusations of political meddling in its broadcast operations, CBS said that the prison report needed additional reporting. The Inside Seacourt segment examined the infamous anti-terrorism prison in El Salvador, also known as Seacourt. The facility has been used to house some migrant detainees from the United States as part of a deal with El Salvador. Notably, this is not the first time that Trump and CBS are engaged in a legal tussle. It was in 2024 that Trump had filed a lawsuit against the network over its handling of a 60 minutes interview with then Vice President Kamala Harris. Trump had alleged that deceptive editing had misled the public, after which CBS eventually paid $16 million to settle that suit.